Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope all is well. Having a great weekend. Got my energy rocks. Today's the full moon in Leo. Alright. Got a few downloads. I want you to keep a notebook as you're going through this journey. Those who follow me, write down ideas that pop up in your head, even if you don't use them right now. They will be for you to create something for later. Know that not all will follow. Some may be enraged, but keep moving and go with the flow. Some may fall, let them. They'll be back. It's I can't fight you energy, so they come back. If I can't beat you, join you type of thing. You're going to be receiving signs. Pay attention to the signs. Repeating words. Control your ego. Be confident. At the same time, be humble. Don't be arrogant. People are going to want you to react for you to fall. Somebody has rage towards you or showing signs of being against you. Let them. Be still. Be still. And if you are a fire sign, be near a candle. Always keep that fire energy near you to recharge. Same with water. Be near water. Air signs, be in elevations. Go to a mountain. Something simple, a hill. Work with the air. Earth. Walk barefooted. That's recommended for everybody. Because we all carry each element somewhere in our chart. I'm being called to use the golden energy, the golden journey pocket tarot and the wandering moon tarot today. We are approaching the reset, February 17th. It's going to be an eclipse. Work with the energy, ride the waves. You all know what happens if you don't ride the waves right. You crash, okay? Ride the waves. Work with the energy, not against it. Spirit guide. I know Peanut. Leave him alone. Peanut. Okay. Wow. 10 of Cups. It's the most beautiful card in this deck. Nice job. Peanut, I said leave him alone. This is very good energy. Happy place. Screenshot it if you want. Spirit's here. You're being protected. There's rainbows. There's a spirit on top of the house. Peanut, you're building. House represents not only your home, but also your inner body. You are a house. Alright? You're starting to branch out. Stay humble, not arrogant. Look at how far you've come. And know that you're ready to fight some more. Don't lose the courage. Stay on course. Follow colors. Peanut. 10 of Cups is like the happiest card in the whole deck. Good things are coming. That's a good energy. Happy. Happy place. Thankful. Alright. Got the Star card. Stop, Spirit. Got the Star card. Those of you that don't know about the Star card, make a wish. Yeah, make a wish. Some wishes take longer than others, but know what you're gonna feel like when you receive it. Knight of Wands. Things are gonna start moving. The ignition starting. The accelerator in motion. Remember our last reading? God's got the wheel. Let go. Let flow. You're being watched. Protected. In a good way. Ride the waves. Ride the energy. Alright? It's about being out there. Be extraordinary. Be a different you. The part of you that shies away, that you don't want people to see. It's time. Yeah, it's time to move. Six of Swords. It's movement. Moving to calmer times. Follow the energy. Follow the light. The sun. Fire. Sit outside in the sun. If there's sun where you're at. If there's no sun, you near fire. Fire energy. 10 of Cups. It's all energy. Flowing with all energy. You don't need recognition to know that you are a star. Somebody's watching you. You know who? That's all you need to show. Everybody else really doesn't matter. It's between you and him. You and the man upstairs. Follow him. Repeating signs, repeating words. Pay attention to what people are talking about. Hidden enemies, yes. You're going to have that. You're going to have a lot of hidden enemies. Because they're trying to see how you're moving. Move in silence. Don't tell everybody in your plans. Keep it in your notebook. Only share it between you two. You got the Wheel of Fortune. Time is now. Wheel of Fortune is being in another country. Some of you guys, 12, 15 might be significant. 10 might be significant. 17 might be significant. We got 2 10s. Wheel of Fortune means the wheel is starting to turn in your favor. Things are starting to bloom. The seeds that you planted are starting to sprout. Everything in its time. You're going to receive a message. That's why you need to write things down. When you're in quiet, meditating, working with the fire, your candle, you're going to receive messages. Write them down. You got dragon energy. That's funny. I just posted a dragon. You're protected. They're protecting you like the egg. You got some real powerful outsiders protecting you. That's so weird. For you not to worry. They're watching everything. They're protecting you like a dragon protects its egg. Fire. Fire energy. Some of you guys are going to get an opportunity with the Ace of Moons. It's a secret. Okay. Hermit mode at the bottom of this deck. Be silent. Be in peace. Be alone. And be outside. I also see snow here. Where the trees have no leaves, winter. 9. 9 is completion. So's 10. And you have 2 10s here. You're elevating. Star. Starting to take action. Getting messages from above. You might be a messenger. Share your knowledge. But not too much. Your ideas are meant for you in spirit. You're co-creating with spirit. Temperance. Spirits. King of Wands. You're being grounded. Ground. That was just in the cut. Spirit is saying, somebody was in deep prayer the other day. praying. I think even crying. You got the Lovers on the bottom of the deck. Nine of Swords in reverse. Maybe you're grieving about love. Feeling like you can't reach where you want to be, but it's coming. Okay, I heard, oh yeah. They want you to stay humble. So that's why things may be going really fast, slow. Fast, slow. I'm seeing up and down, teeter-totter. I'm seeing, They're preparing you for you don't get arrogant, for you to stay humble. Follow the pace. Spirits know what they're doing with you. Flow with it. And watch your intentions. Or no. That too. But watch how you think. When you start feeling like giving up, which is that Nine of Swords, feeling like you can't fight anymore, but you can. You can flip this card around. Don't give up. Know your power. It's in reach. Your success is within reach. I also see like where you're going, even though other people are stars too. Not everybody can go where you're going. And also I get what this card is. Don't forget about the people that are making you that way. Pay attention. Wow. You're being crowned 3 times. Spirit's giving you 3 crowns. You mastered 3 things in your life. They're giving you keys. Those are keys on the bottom. Those are doors. Those keys unlock something. Choices. The coins. Which opportunity? Lots of opportunities. Which ones are you going to choose? Those keys unlock 2 out of 7 doors. 2 out of 7 doors. 2 out of 7. You have 7 choices. And 2 keys. Alright? And it's near the Wheel of Fortune. one of them, it's going to unlock something major. Spirit is watching who follow you. Some might not like where you're going. That could be the Nine of Swords upside down too, not necessarily meaning you. Okay, what about the King of Swords? You're a very smart person. You know how to do this. Strategize. Okay, got 3. The Emperor. You've been crowned. You've been crowned again. Work smart. You're on to something. The Empress. Also, this could be meaning somebody coming into your life, too. I'm gonna leave that out. So, or somebody. Okay, thanks, Spirit. There's a female. Empress is female. Emperor is male. They're both here, so it don't matter. But a female could be helping you in this. How to strategize, what to do, key dates, key marks, what to look for, what to pay attention to, a guidance, somebody that guides, a smart person, a knowledgeable person. An Emperor is also a knowledgeable person. This could be you. Use your knowledge. Write down what you pick up and share it with others. How you can share my information with others if you like. That's what I'm here for. To pass on the word. The sun. Fire. Leo. Leo moon today. Things are breaking through. A breakthrough is happening in my walls. You got like really, really bright cards right here. You got the 10 of Cups, pure bliss and happiness. You got the Star card, make a wish. You're being watched over, even from dragons. Might want to get a little dragon. I have big dragons, like I have dragon statues that I can't bring over here, but like a little, it could be big, small, it doesn't matter. Dragon is significant for you right now. Fire signs. Candles. Touch the candle. Feel the warmth with your hands. Stare at the candle. And record what you're thinking as you're looking at it. Control the ego. Write down everything that your messages you're receiving. Also, okay. I'm hearing like I have oils. I have a lot of oils. But anoint yourself. Even if you don't have blessing oils, you know, you cannot make your own. Get a little tiny jar. Doesn't need to be big. Oil. Just put bay leaf, cinnamon in that oil. and marinate it and keep it. That's your anointment. Tap some on the top of your head where your crown is. That's where you get downloads. Put some right here on your third eye. This is your third eye. Some of you guys might want to do third eye activations. You can look it up online. Just listen to it every once in a while. Activates your third eye. It opens up your senses. Also protects you. The anointment oil protects you. If you don't have anything sitting, you can use a little bit of oil for now. But anoint yourself. Do whatever protection you do to protect yourself. And you're supposed to do this in the morning when you wake up. You have Make-A-Wish. You have Wheel of Fortune turning in your favor. You got messages coming in. You got pure happiness at the end of this reading. You have the Emperor, the Empress. You have the Hierophant, which is either marriage, commitment, opportunity of a business, a working partner. You got 3 crowns there and 2 keys. You got 9s. 9s and 10s are completions. You got a couple of them here. You're ending a lot of things and being crowned at your next step, next level. But stay humble. Don't be arrogant. Make a wish. Things are coming. Stay positive. Stay in your element. Work with the flow. Yes, you're going to be up and down, up and down, up and down, because I see that here. Up, up. Flow, up, up. But they're all high cards here, like super high. We only have to worry about this one upside down. Not ready to fight, or not like sign. This is going to take a lot of work. Yes, it's going to take work. It is going to take work, but spirits believe that you're going to be capable of doing this. So don't get overwhelmed. Stay your balance. Make your wish. Write things on paper. If they don't make sense now, they will later. Record everything. Be next to that notebook. A small one, a pocket one. Got the pocket tarot right here. You got me. Just be in your flow. This is really beautiful. Alright? Stay blessed, guys. I love you. And like and subscribe, and I'll be back. Bye. Peace, love, and light. Happy full moon.